Hey guys, so this is an issue I encountered on my E93 BMW. It's 2013. It does have iDrive with a factory Bluetooth. So I'm not really sure when this occurred. I was messing around with coding, so it could have been something like that. But regardless, the Bluetooth will say it's connected, and it's showing paired here on my phone. But curiously, when we go into the telephone menu, it's showing up as empty. And what's annoying about that is I can't place calls from here. I can stream Bluetooth just fine and I can receive calls, but I can't place calls, which is kind of furious. I've tried unpairing and repairing many times. It'll just time out and it doesn't seem to work. So this took some searching to figure out what the actual issue was, but with the COM box underneath the trunk, that is where the actual Bluetooth information is stored. And at some point in time, this whole system, the iDrive head unit actually just stopped talking to the COM box. It thinks it's empty, but in actuality, it's not. So I did find some very, very niche forum posts on E90 Post. I will have those linked in the description, as well as permalinks to them, just in case the links for some reason disappeared. You won't be out in the blue. But effectively what we need to do is we'll need a K plus D CAN cable for the e-chassis BMWs, and then we'll go ahead and pull up ISTA, the diagnostic tool, and we can go ahead and manually force the COM box to delete all the Bluetooth boxes. So I'm gonna go order my K CAN cable, or KD CAN cable, and then we'll see you guys back here once I get an update. Alrighty, so got my cable in the mail. I'm not gonna link it, the Amazon link, because I personally am not super fond of this one, but I mean, it does work. Do your own research. I just bought what was on sale. But anyways, I got ISTA opened up. It's just completing the vehicle test here. For all my JB4 boys, just a reminder, make sure you set to map 0 or this will not work. So it's gonna go do its thing, and then now we can see all of the boxes here. So, go to control unit list, and then we are gonna want to go to ComBox Multimedia right here. So we're gonna click on this guy and call up functions. If we go to component triggering, I'm not sure if I want to do that. General. Yeah, so we're going to go to general and then delete coupled Bluetooth devices. We're going to go ahead and click trigger. It says activation finished there. I'm just going to do it one more time just to make sure. Oh, okay, so yeah, it doesn't confirm. Has been. Control unit must be connected. Okay. Well, it said it worked, so I'm just gonna assume it did. Okay, activation finished. Okay, cool. Communication with my husband. Okay, so that likely means my ignition just shut off again. So. There we go. Yep. Battery's low. Also use a battery charger too. Cool. So you should be good to go to that. So I'm gonna go ahead and not deal with that anymore. And then I am on my phone, so I will not be able to show you what that looks like. So let's go ahead and give it a shot. All right, guys, and there you have it. The Bluetooth is all connected up, and we're ready to rock. So yeah, it's just simple. I personally have been setting the code to 12345 just because someone on a forum post said that fixed their problems, and well, it's been doing it for me. But yeah. Takes a little bit of ISTA figuring out. Just remember, ISTA is a pretty powerful tool. You can probably do some damage to your car. I'm not going to go over setting up ISTA. That should be something you guys can figure out on your own. But yeah, this was a bitch and a half to get fixed. But I'm glad it's all fixed now. So yeah, if you have any questions or want to get more information, leave a comment. I can do my best to answer it. And yeah, guys, hopefully this helped you guys out. I know it was a bitch and a half for me trying to find this information on my own. So hopefully someone will find this video and it will totally help them out. But yeah, till next time.